Hello, this is Baijun, and now I am going to screencast my project and describe what it is about and how it functions. Basically, I will introduce my project in two parts. The first part is about the mobile app part, which is you can see the SVCS in the middle screen. Another part I will use camera to record what's going on with servers because it's a client-server application. I also create a view for the server to manage user data, user postings. You can modify the postings. You can add administrator. You can add users administrator. You can delete inappropriate contents as a administrator. And this process can all done just by enter the administrator's SVCS server website. And now let's start the app. Firstly, you can see this page is about user postings. These postings are sorted by the system. It can be generally viewed by all the types of the user. If you are not logged in, you can still access this page. You can just scroll up and scroll down, have a general look. And firstly, let's log in. We can also register for a new account. Let's just give it random names. And assign a password is which I set the limitation is just bigger than 6 digits is fine. I just put it by June Liu there. If I create an account, it's successful. You can view the recent posting immediately, and these postings are from real users, and they post all their comments here, and you can give a quick view just through scroll inside the card upside and down, and this is my posting, and you can have a quick look just like this. And if you're going back, the registered user can still have access to this page. And let's just log into another account because the new registered data has not been mocked up properly. This is the real email address. And if I log in here, you can see my user profiles. My email is that I just entered, and I can tap here to edit the name. Tap here to edit the password. And now I just want to show you if I forgot the password. I can just enter the email here. And it says I have already received a link, and let's check our email box. Yes, I saw that. It's here from Firebase Authentication. You can just change your password through email. I just name it easy. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it says you can sign in with your new password. Just go check it. Password I set is 126. Yeah, successfully log in. And in this cloud icon, it's just a page accessing to recent postings. It's all from the real user I used to post. This actually it's just a post by my own. I just log in as a different user. There are Trump, and there are me, Baijun, and there is a guy called a handsome guy. He's just mainly sharing some beautiful things. And there's another guy called Lian Qiang. He just mainly share about their feelings. And this is I actually captured a picture from my own. It's just a smoke cigarette box. And you can see the green tag here. It's about the location information. I will introduce this to you later. I can just randomly click in any posting and have a detailed look. And this is the actual posting it looks like. Pictures, times, and also it have hashtags. This hashtag is used for just searching stuff. I want to make this system is more system-centric that prevent user from abusing the system. Once you just click in any hashtag, it will search for any other posting related to this. There are 4 posting related to this. One is mine, another is Trump, and the other is a handsome guy. We can click into it. Let's check if the interesting tag is there. And yes, the interesting tag is here. So let's go back to the start page. And also I can press the like button here. Now the like is 899. If I press the like button, it's well back to here. And if you click in again, it's become 900. And you can leave a comment here because the user I logged in is Baijun. So I just leave a comment like I am Baijun. Then once I clicked the comment, it goes back here again, and once I click in, my posting is here, and this is my snapshot. That's nice, I think. And if you click this green button, this is all about the rating stuff. I basically just rating the location by the like count by the users, and I think I will doing more work on this part, but there's not enough time allow me to do. So the location is here, and let me show you something else. And if you click into another posting, yeah, it's just like a detailed page, and you can leave some random comments here. You can also just leave a comment for yourself's post, and it's here. And you can also press like for yourself, and it's going back to 1001. Yeah, 1001 here. And you click some random tags. There are 2 tags related to this. It's just about my feeling about the demo day, feeling about my final project presentation. I'm feeling good. And now I think, yeah, I can post something. And this is the actually sharing page. about just call it screencast. Say something. Today is a good day. And I can also choose to share a photo. And just let me take a picture. Now the picture is captured. And this part is actually the green tag on the right top corner. I just showed you it's like a location, and it can be considered as a tag as well. So if you click post, it should take a few seconds. Just wait a second. Here it comes. It's really slow because the hosting plan of the cloud I choose is like €2 a day. If I want a higher performance, I should pay more, but I don't want to pay that much for this. It's enough for use, I think. And just scroll down. The thing I just posted is here. This works fine. And wait a second, I'm just start the server side. Yeah, and actually, the system can distribute the posting. I just post a tag. If you goes into the post I just created, you could say there may be 2 tags, I think. Yeah, it's just a happy and unforgettable. And if you click happy, it will display the related results of happy things, happy posts, the posts who have happy as a tag. And now I'm going to use the camera to show you what the server looks like. So firstly, I just use camera here, so I just want to describe it better. So this page is just the home page of the SVCS server. It's just to generate, describe what this server doing and how it's composed by. It's just a cloud-based server, and rather than using logic languages, I provide a view to let the user or the administrator have a clear view about this. You can see there are tags here, like home page is this page, users are all the users registered, and post is their posting of the registered users, and this post comments refers to the comments under the posts. This is the tags. The tags means just like the happy, the interesting, unforgettable, and the post tags means to the tags inside the post. This is the relation stuff. This refers to the database tables, but I only put this few table inside here because these are the most important things. The actual database table is far more than this. And to access these pages, you need to log in first. I have already registered a user. I just call it this one and then my password. Yeah, just log in and log in. You can check here login successful, then you have access to these pages. So first I would go through the users first. And you can say these are the users registered in my system, and this is me. This is Trump. I just give him a random email, random password, a random first name, or random thing. And except me, these three, the rest three user are just mocked up because there is only one user. It's me. And the user status is different. AT stands for active traveler, which have already posted a lot of postings, and NC means normal customer, which is just normal. And there are two other levels like active, like travel experts or registered user. I didn't put them here because this data are just mock-up. If the user just post enough postings, they can level up automatically. And let's say the sharing page. Let's just make it full screen. This is the actually user sharing page. The maximum capacity of each posting is 9 photos, and some sharings may post 1, may post 3, may post 2 or 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. And yes, it's just a posting page. You can see the like count, the comment count, and as an administrator, I can delete or edit. I can maybe check edit first. It's the user ID here. I can distribute this post to other user. But if I actually do this, I think I against the GDPR law, you know. The like count if it's only 62, I can make it 620 or 2000. And location is called America. Create date is just here. I just modify the like count. I think it's fine. Like count now is become 620 now. And I can actually delete anything if it's not inappropriate. Just maybe delete the posting about the cigarette box. This is a posting I just did yesterday. It's by Baijun. You can see like count is 0, comment count is 0, and location is home. I just delete it. It's not necessary here. And delete. It takes a little bit of time, and if you scroll down again, it disappeared. The only thing I posted is I just took a picture about the backyard here. So now let's go to the post comment part. This is all the users post their comment, and in particular posts. It's actually not this appears on this part. I should make the appears on here, but it works fine. The primary key here are just set right. The foreign key works fine as well. I can add it like count or something as well. If I check add it, you can choose another user to it. It's pretty tricky here. And post ID, this refers to the title of the user postings. First two are from Trump, these two are from me, these two are from Nice Guy, these two are from Lianka. This one is just I post to the system. And like count, maybe just change it to 66. and save it. It changed to 6666, but I really not suggest anybody doing this, because according to the GDPR's law, I'm against the rules now. But actually the data is from myself. It's not that bad. And now let's go to tags. These are all the tags I attribute to the system. You can create a text, maybe call it something like just easy 700. It goes into here. And you can, actually these post tags are used by the system to attribute them to the postings. And if I just create new, like I just select the easy 700, and this is screen case, it's just I posted case. The tag name is easy 700. Let's create it. Oh, I missed the hashtag, so I can modify it. Call it hashtag easy 700. Then save it. It still goes into it, I think. It definitely goes into it. And if I open that posting again, I can see that hashtag is there. Let's go to the posting I just created. As you can see, the secret box is gone because I deleted on the server side. And if I click this into it, yeah, the easy 700 is here, the tag is here, so it works fine. I think that's nice. Thank you very much for watching this. I may make this a little bit long, but thanks for the time. Thank you very much.